Now, even more examples, 3 last ones here. So what do I do with this? I got the same base, but different radicals, which we told you couldn't simplify before. So now we're going to write them as rational exponents, and now we can use our exponent rules because they're both 4s that were under the radical. So now we have the same base, so we subtract the exponents. 1/6 minus 1/3, it's like 1/6 minus 2/6, which is 4 to the negative 1/6. So negative exponent means it goes on the bottom. Writing it as a radical gives us this. So 3 and 27 aren't the same base, but 27 is a power of 3. So I can write 27 as 3/3 there. 3/3, 4th root is 3 to the 3/4. So now I'm multiplying the same base. I need to add the exponents. So here a little fraction addition there. Get a common denominator, which is 28. I get 3 to the 25th 28ths. I actually like this better, but this is also correct. 36 is a power of 6, so I can actually do some magic here too. So square root of 6 is 6 to the 1/2. 6 squared cube root is going to be 6 to the 2/3. Remember, the root is the bottom of the fraction. Now I subtract the exponents. So a little fraction subtraction here. And I get this, which, similar to the first example in this video, is going to simplify to that. All right, bring any questions you have to class, and we will get you going on this.